I've used this stuff, an aluminum brightener, which is basically phosphoric acid to brighten aluminum pontoons multiple times, and this stuff works very good. However, I've just learned of a potential enterprising new use for this. So let's mix up a little bit of this and I'll show you what we're going to do. Oh yeah, look at that pour. Excellent. No spillage at all. Again, perfect. No spillage. Okay, and here's the side of our abandoned Wave Runner 3. And you notice all this like hard water scale stuff on here? That doesn't come off even with a pressure washer. But I've heard that this stuff will take it right off. So we're going to spray some of this on, let it sit for 5 or 10 minutes, and then hose it off with garden hose. Oh, look at that. It's definitely doing something to it. Okay, now we're going to let it sit for a few minutes and let that stuff do its magic. So over the course of the past 5 minutes or so, I've come along and just kind of resprayed in the areas where it was the worst. And it's pretty much stopped doing that bubbling up stuff that it was before. So I'm thinking it's done whatever it's going to do. And I'm going to rinse this off and see how it looks. Now for it to be a fair test, we're going to have to wait for it to dry. But let's rinse it off right now and take a look. All right, let's come back to that when it's dry and take another look. So that is definitely better. Right here, I rubbed it just a little bit, and it seems like, I bet if you scrubbed that or even hit it with a Scotch-Brite, it would clean it right up. So maybe I'll try pressure washing this and see if this kind of chalky residue will come off. So with our pontoon cleaner sprayed on and then rinsed off, now we've got this little kind of chalky, dusty stuff on there. I'm going to take my DA buffer along with some cutting compound and see if we can take that off and shine this thing up. Let's give it a try quick. Let's get a closer look at how this looks after just one quick pass with the buffer. This is just one quick pass with the buffer. That's pretty impressive. Brightens that up pretty good. Now it's not perfect, but this is an old machine. You've seen where this thing was. Well, I'd have to say I'm very impressed. That stuff really did a number on the scale buildup. So if you've got an older wave runner or any other kind of gel coat coated boat or personal watercraft, you might want to try this stuff to get all that old scale off and get your machine looking as good as new again. Thanks for watching.